Hello, Morgan here today with your Free Tip Friday, and today we're talking about what to do after you've been in an auto accident. So first things first, you want to make sure that you and all of your passengers are okay and uninjured. Of course, you're all going to be shaken up from the accident, and that's normal. But if anybody has any major injuries, now is the time to call 911 and get an ambulance out to you. If everyone's okay, the next thing you want to do is see if your car is still drivable. If you can move it safely to the side of the road or a side street in order to safely exit the vehicle to speak with the other driver, you want to do that now. If it's not drivable, make sure that you get on the phone with a tow company as soon as you can. Once you're able to safely exit your vehicle, go up to the other driver, and on the way, take photos of your vehicle and their vehicle and any damage that you think may be from the accident. Once you meet the other driver, some things that you want to get from them are their first and last name, their license plate number, the year, make, model, and color of their vehicle, as well as their insurance carrier's name and their insurance policy number. Those are all things that you need in order to process a claim and get the claim paid, whether you're at fault or the other driver is. Now, some things I would suggest not giving them are your address, your phone number, and definitely do not give them your license, your driver's license number. None of those are necessary in order to file or get a claim paid, and those are all things that could lead to trouble down the road if they have access to that information. If they are not willing to give you any of their information, whether it's their insurance information or their name, you want to make sure you get an officer out to the location of the accident, because they'll be able to get that information for you. Those are things you don't want to leave the scene of the accident without getting. So if you need assistance from a police officer, it's okay to call them. Some other things I would suggest is as soon as you get home and you're feeling a little bit more like yourself, immediately try to document what you remember from the accident. Who came from what direction, who came into the other person's area or space or lane in order to cause the accident, and what you think the extent of the damage may or may not have been. Sometimes you hit a vehicle and maybe it's older and there's lots of dents and scratches on it already, and so you're not really clear on how much of that damage is from your vehicle. You want to get that all down on paper, so as soon as a claim rep calls you from one of the insurance companies, you have all of that information from when it was still fresh in your mind. And if you're interested in a copy of your accident checklist, go ahead and check the description above this video, and I will have a link in order for you to get a copy and keep one in your car at all times. Thank you. Have a great day.